4 ways to fix Instagram repost button missing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. In Play Store, search for Instagram. And if there is any update available, make sure you update Instagram. Sometimes not updating the app may cause some issue. After that, open the app and then click on the Reels section. And make sure you check 2 to 3 reels, as sometimes the button may not show if the person's setting is turned off, which is the repost setting. Another thing what you can do is go to your profile at the bottom right and click on 3 lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on it, in here, simply scroll down and search for sharing. Click on sharing and make sure everything is turned on in here. After you do that, go back to settings and scroll down and click on help. After you click on help, click on report a problem at the top. After you click on report a problem, in here you can type my repost button is missing and press on send. After you do that, Instagram will get back to you and fix your problem within 24 hours. These are 4 ways to fix Instagram repost button missing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.